Hi guys, this is not a full unboxing. I just wanted to show you what you get in the box when you buy a new OnePlus 10 Pro now unbranded. That means from their website oneplus.com or from Best Buy or from Amazon or so, and not from T-Mobile or one of these carriers. I've been Googling for that and I couldn't find any reliable information, unfortunately. Probably the most important information which you need is if it comes with a case, protective case or not. But unfortunately, I have to tell you there's no case in it. I've rechecked everything. You cannot take this out here. By the way, the model type is NE2215. That's the 8GB ROM, 128GB of RAM and the volcanic black. What we have here is the 65 watts charger. It can deliver up to 20 volts, but the maximum power is 65 watts. You can get only with the 10 volts, 6.5 amps, and you get this USB-C to USB-C cable. You get this USB-C to A host adapter, and then you get the safety information, quick starter guide, and this SIM card release pin. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I almost forgot to show you that. That's the OnePlus sticker. I think you can remove that and stick it to anything, to your car or wherever you want to stick that. One of the positive things, I hope you can see that, is that it comes already with the screen protector applied. And I would say it's applied very clean. I couldn't find any bubble. Maybe you see something. I couldn't find anything. But definitely not the case. That's a little bit the disappointing thing. So that's actually already it. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and I'll do more videos about the OnePlus 10 Pro, even though it's not the latest model, but I expect that it will be sold for another year or so, so it could be still very interesting option. By the way, it's available for only around $550, also on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.